How to generate tax ID for your incorporated trustees. Which kind of business registration do we refer to as incorporated trustees? Incorporated trustees are those kind of CAC registered organization like your church registration, your mosque registration, your association registration, your club registration, your NGOs registrations. All those are the kind of registration that we classify as incorporated trustees. So in this video, I will be taking you through how you can generate their tax ID for them after registry, or probably for those that has registered for a long period of time, maybe around 2018, 2017, 2020, 2021 and above, that did not get access to have their tax ID printed with their CAC certificate. So let's go straight into how you can get this done all by yourself from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is to make sure that you already have that particular incorporated trustee registered with CAC and you gain access to the CAC number. So all you need to do is to go straight to your Chrome browser and type taxid.nrs.gov.ng. You come down here and click on this first one that is indicating in blue color where my arrow is pointing to. Give it time to load up and then it will take you down to this place where you will be having this interface that shows individual, corporate and others. So you come down to where you have corporate. Click on corporate. It will load up this interface for you. Then you click on this arrow down so that it will display the organization type, so that you can choose the appropriate type of organization. Don't forget that you are to generate tax ID for an incorporated trustee. So you click on incorporated trustee. Once you click that, you come down to this place where you have enter ID number and paste that particular IT number that you've gotten from the IT CAC certificate. Paste it here, then you come down here and click on retrieve tax ID. Give it time, it will load up and boom, you will be having the name of that particular association with their tax ID number. So with this, you have been able to generate the tax ID number for that particular old incorporated trustee. All you need to do now is to just copy and paste this, or you screenshot it. So another way that you can give it to them in a handy way, or another way you can get it in a handy way, is to get a slip for it, because as of today when I'm making this video, there is no any specific certificate like that of old when we generate with JTB. So you just get a handy slip that you can put this your tax ID number and make use of it whenever you need it. And note that this aspect of generating is different from activation. For those asking, once I generate, am I good to go to open my account? No, you are not good to go. You will need to activate it, which is what I have explained in my previous videos on how you can activate this your tax ID on the new tax portal known as Rev 360. So feel free to go through the videos on this channel for you to check out how you can activate it on the new tax portal if you are yet to do that. And should in case you did not see the video, go to the comment section and drop how to activate incorporated trustee on Rev 360 in the comment section, and I will be glad to direct you straight to the video. So if you find this video helpful, if this video has given you a particular information that you needed, don't forget to like, click on the thumbs up button, and also join the family. Subscription is free. Turn on your notification after you subscribe so that you will get notified when next I drop other videos. And if you have any other questions related to this or outside of this topic, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will provide an answer to your question. And should in case you need your handy slip for your tax ID, use the link in the description to send me a DM and it will be sorted out for you. Thank you. I am Deborah Rafiu, the brain behind Sholadrem 247 Consult. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.